Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum has reacted to the support zone yesterday and has already moved a little bit higher since the last update. We've now reached the Fibonacci retracement resistance area here. That's defined based on the decline that happened between Thursday and yesterday's low. So from this decline, we can identify obviously certain Fibonacci retracements. They typically would act as resistance. Well, they do, because you can see that the market is consolidating here below that 50% retracement at 2,638 USD at the moment. Yeah. So I want to talk about this. And at the moment, I'm still tracking here the diagonal pattern to the upside that Ethereum might be working on. Diagonals cannot be trusted. So please be aware that we have to babysit this chart. We have an initial rally, which was only in 3 waves from the Monday low. And that 3-wave move indicates that at best, this could be a diagonal pattern to the upside, not an impulse. The rally here into the Thursday high, which was also just a 3-wave rally, confirms that further, because diagonals consist of corrective structures and a 3-wave move is a corrective structure. Then we had this B-wave decline. I can take out the micro count now. But that was the idea, that we were moving down here in a B wave. Let me actually change the wave degree there. Talked about that yesterday, I think in the first video, that we're expecting here a B wave pullback into the support region, and would then have to, pay attention to the relevant Fib levels between 2,559 and 2,394. You can see that there was already an initial reaction, to that 2,559 level. And that was the 38.2 retracement of the rally that happened between the Wednesday low and the Thursday high. As per yesterday's update on Discord for our gold members, we were watching then for further upside. And the idea was, okay, the price completed the ABC roadmap in wave B nicely today and reacted to that 38.2 retracement level. We now have to see if this was already enough to complete the correction. To keep the idea of a diagonal pattern valid, the price needs to hold above 2,394. Well, what does that mean? That means we have to watch already for upside reactions, have to be on high alert that the market could have started that. Let's go back to the live chart, that C wave to the upside here. However, I pretty much clearly mentioned that support level down there, because this B wave, okay, it might be complete, but I have to say very, very clearly, this is not really the most, the most impulsive upside reaction. And for a C wave rally, we would normally expect a bit more upside momentum, but not necessarily. I mean, we can still give it a chance, but I have to say that if we break below the Friday low at this 38.2 Fib level, we could explore a larger B wave instead of this B wave, just a larger B wave, and it could then reattempt a rally from lower. But please note that 2,394 is the last, clear support level in this diagonal pattern, in which in the next step, the third wave should reach $3,075. But only if, and all analysis are based on if-then conditions, but only if the $2,394 level is holding, which means it might have made sense to add positions in the support region. Watch for a reaction to the Fib levels. Some of you might have traded this, or actually even trade the trend line breakout here, even though I highlighted, I think in the last video, that I don't trust this because it only has like 3 touch points. But and you see how useless the trend line actually was, because, oh no, it was okay actually. But I didn't trust it because of the wick, okay? So there are always different ways of handling these charts, okay? Either adding in a pullback, and therefore I give you these key levels, or even adding upon breakouts. So some people wait for a little bit of confirmation. Some people are okay with buying the dip. This is an individual decision based on personal risk tolerance and so on. That's pretty much what we're now focusing on, which means a wider wave 2, not wave 2, a wider wave B, as per the blue count, is definitely something we need to watch for, especially due to this chaotic and choppy price action here. I mean, if you tried to trade just this on the 15-minute chart or something, then you probably got properly frustrated. I mean, this was just like up and down random movement, and now we finally seem to get a bit of a breakout of this range here. and the resistance area is on the chart. Any break above 2,686 could already indicate more clearly that we're in the C wave up. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.